Biochemistry, foundations, scope, and clinical significance. Biochemistry is a core discipline of medical science that focuses on the study of chemical substances, molecular structures, and biochemical processes that occur within living organisms. It provides the scientific foundation for understanding life at the molecular level and explains how biological molecules interact to maintain normal physiological functions. In medical education, biochemistry plays a pivotal role by linking basic sciences such as chemistry and biology with clinical subjects, thereby helping students understand the molecular basis of health and disease. Living organisms are composed of highly organized and complex chemical systems. The human body, despite its structural and functional complexity, operates through well-regulated biochemical reactions. These reactions govern processes such as digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, growth, reproduction, and maintenance of internal equilibrium. Biochemistry enables the understanding of these processes by studying the composition, structure, function, metabolism, and regulation of biomolecules. Biomolecules and their biological importance. The major biomolecules studied in biochemistry include carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, vitamins, and minerals. Each class of biomolecule has a specific structure and performs distinct functions essential for life. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen and are classified into monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Glucose is the most important monosaccharide and serves as the main fuel for the brain and red blood cells. Polysaccharides such as glycogen act as storage forms of energy in the liver and muscles. Abnormalities in carbohydrate metabolism lead to conditions such as diabetes mellitus and glycogen storage diseases. Lipids are a diverse group of hydrophobic compounds that include fats, oils, phospholipids, and steroids. They serve as concentrated energy reserves, provide insulation and protection to organs, and are essential components of cell membranes. Cholesterol is a vital lipid that contributes to membrane fluidity and serves as a precursor for steroid hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D. Disorders of lipid metabolism result in hyperlipidemia, atherosclerosis, and cardiovascular diseases. Proteins are complex macromolecules composed of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. They are the most versatile biomolecules and perform a wide range of functions, including enzymatic catalysis, structural support, transport, immune defense, and regulation of gene expression. Hemoglobin, enzymes, antibodies, and hormones are examples of biologically important proteins. Protein deficiency or abnormal protein synthesis can lead to severe clinical conditions such as kwashiorkor, sickle cell anemia, and enzyme deficiency disorders. Nucleic acids, namely deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and ribonucleic acid, RNA, are responsible for the storage, transmission, and expression of genetic information. DNA contains the genetic blueprint of the organism, while RNA plays a central role in protein synthesis. Advances in molecular biochemistry have enabled detailed understanding of DNA replication, transcription, translation, and gene regulation, forming the basis of modern genetics and molecular medicine. Vitamins and minerals, though required in small quantities, are essential for normal metabolic functions. Vitamins often act as coenzymes or antioxidants, while minerals serve as structural components or enzyme cofactors. Deficiency of these micronutrients can result in various deficiency disorders, highlighting their clinical importance. Metabolism and bioenergetics. Metabolism refers to the sum total of all biochemical reactions occurring in the body. These reactions are organized into metabolic pathways that are interconnected and tightly regulated. Metabolism is broadly divided into catabolism and anabolism. Catabolic reactions involve the breakdown of complex molecules to simpler ones with the release of energy, whereas anabolic reactions involve the synthesis of complex molecules requiring energy. Energy production is a central theme in biochemistry. The energy released from the oxidation of nutrients is captured in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ADP, which serves as the universal energy currency of the cell. Pathways such as glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation are crucial for ADP generation. Disruption of these pathways can lead to energy deficiency states and severe metabolic disorders. Biochemistry also explains the metabolic integration among different organs. For example, The liver plays a central role in maintaining blood glucose levels. The adipose tissue stores and releases lipids. Muscles utilize glucose and fatty acids for energy. And the brain relies primarily on glucose and ketone bodies. This coordinated metabolic regulation ensures homeostasis. Enzymes and regulation of biochemical reactions. Enzymes are biological catalysts, mostly proteins, that increase the rate of biochemical reactions without being consumed. They are highly specific for their substrates and function under optimal conditions of temperature and pH. Enzyme activity is regulated by various mechanisms, including substrate availability, allosteric regulation, covalent modification, and hormonal control. The study of enzymes is of great clinical significance. Many diseases are caused by enzyme deficiencies or defects, known as inborn errors of metabolism. Examples include phenylketonuria, alkaptonuria, and galactosemia.